The Red Ball Express. Keep it rolling. In 1944, the United States Army started the Red Ball Express, a huge trucking operation to supply World War II troops in Europe with provisions. The Army Transportation Corps created this operation, and supply trucks started rolling and rolled continuously for 82 days. This operation played a major role in the Nazi defeat by ensuring U.S. and Allied warfighters had what they needed to sweep across France into Germany. Before and during the war, the U.S. Army was segregated. Most U.S. commanders believed that black soldiers lacked the courage or bravery for combat. As a result, the Army relegated blacks primarily to safe service and supply outfits. The Navy assigned them as mess stewards. Despite their poor treatment, the drivers continually delivered the much-needed supplies. 75% of Red Ball Express drivers were African American servicemen. Not all of these men were trained as truck drivers, but the emergency saw them pressed into this new role. Most of the men were under the age of 24, and few had experience driving trucks before the war. The Red Ball Express truck convoy system stretched from Normandy to Paris and eventually to the war front along France's northeastern borderland. The route was marked with red balls so that the drivers wouldn't get lost. Colorful signs were posted to keep the drivers en route. On an average day, 900 fully loaded vehicles were on the Red Ball route 24 hours, with drivers officially ordered to observe a 60-yard interval and top speeds of 25 miles per hour. Red Ball Express drivers often worked in two-man teams to make the 54-hour round trip. The drivers drove on one-way roads reserved exclusively for their convoys. Military policemen guarded the intersections to guarantee the trucks did not have to stop for anything. The original plan for Red Ball Express called for trucks to drive at 25 miles per hour at 60-yard intervals and convoys escorted by jeeps. In reality, the trucks often traveled alone, leaving out as soon as they were loaded and racing at speeds exceeding 60 miles per hour to forward supply depots. Accidents, fatigue, and enemy aircraft were just some of the hazards drivers confronted on their route. The Red Ball Express succeeded because of the devotion to duty of thousands of African American soldiers who had been denied the full benefits of American citizenship, but who were committed to doing their part to win the war. The Red Ball Express only lasted a few months. However, the strength and dedication of the African American majority driving force is legendary. Casualties did occur, and though these soldiers were considered low in rank, they encountered sabotage, air attacks, and fatal accidents due to fatigue and worn-out equipment. Allied reconstruction of the French railroad system brought the Red Ball Express to an end. The Red Ball Express was a conveyor belt on wheels, carrying supplies until the rail network could carry the load. During its brief existence, African American drivers performed a vital mission that was dull and hard work. The speeding Red Ball drivers, thumbing their nose at military authority and at the enemy to speed supplies to the front and to the victory, were the first true road warriors. Until next time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell to be notified of future uploads. Thank you for watching.